Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to our English class. Today, we are going to discuss about language and grammar in lesson 3 talk. Look at page number 23 in your textbook. B. Look at these sentences. I went to school. He has gone to school. When he arrived in school, he found that the teacher had left. In the first sentence, went is the highlighted word. Went is the past tense of go. We have already learned that verb has three forms. Present, go, that is V1, past, went, that is V2, and past participle V3, that is gone. Tenses tell about the time of an action. In the sentence, I went to school, went is the past form of go. It is in simple past. It is used to describe events in the past. That means the things happened before now. The things that started and end in the past. Form is subject plus V2. Now look at the second sentence. He has gone to school. Here has gone is the highlighted word. It is in present perfect. Form is has or have plus V3. We use have with the plural subject and has with the singular subject. Present perfect shows about an action that occurred in the past and connects to now. That is an action that is perfectly completed. It is always used to link something to the present. Now look at the third sentence. When he arrived in school, he found that the teacher had left. In this sentence, the highlighted word is had plus V3. That is had left. It is in past perfect. It is used to describe an action with respect to another action completed in the past. That is past perfect is used to describe an action with respect to another action completed in the past. It is the past of past. Form is subject plus had plus V3. V3 is the past participle of verb. In the sentence, the first action completed is the teacher had left. So it is in past perfect. That means had plus V3. Had left. Left is the past participle of leave. Leave, left, left. You should notice one more thing, that is after to always use the base form of the verb, that is V1. To plus infinitive. Infinitive means the base form of the verb, that is V1. So you should remember that after has, have, had, we use V3, that is the past participle of the verb. In simple past, we use V2, that is the second form of the verb. And after to, we use the base form of the verb, that is V1, the first form of the verb. I went to school എന്നുള്ളത് സിമ്പിൾ പാസ്റ്റിലാണ്. സിമ്പിൾ പാസ്റ്റ് എന്നാൽ പാസ്റ്റിൽ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആയ ഒരു ആക്ഷനെ കാണിക്കാനായിട്ട് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നു. Second sentence, he has gone to school. Here, he is a singular subject. So, we use has. He എന്നുള്ളത് സിംഗുലർ ആയതുകൊണ്ടാണ് has ഉപയോഗിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. പാസ്റ്റിൽ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആയതും എന്നാൽ അതിനിപ്പോഴും പ്രസക്തിയുള്ളതുമായ കാര്യങ്ങളെ കുറിക്കാനാണ് പ്രസൻറ്റ് പെർഫെക്റ്റ് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. അതിൻ്റെ ഫോം ഹാസ് ഓർ ഹൗ പ്ലസ് V3 ആണ്. ഹാസ് സിംഗുലർ സബ്ജക്റ്റിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നു. ഹാവ് പ്ലൂറൽ സബ്ജക്റ്റിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നു. Look at third sentence. When he arrived in school, he found that the teacher had left. It is in past perfect. Past perfect ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത് രണ്ട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ പാസ്റ്റിൽ നടന്നതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് പറയുമ്പോൾ ആദ്യം നടന്ന കാര്യം പാസ്റ്റ് പെർഫെക്റ്റിലും അതായത് ഹാഡ് പ്ലസ് V3യിലും രണ്ടാമത് പാസ്റ്റിൽ നടന്ന കാര്യം സിമ്പിൾ പാസ്റ്റിലും പറയുന്നു, അതായത് സബ്ജക്റ്റ് പ്ലസ് V2യിലും പറയുന്നു. ഓൾവേസ് റിമെമ്പർ ദാറ്റ് നമ്മൾ എപ്പോഴും ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ടത് ഹാസ്, ഹാവ്, ഹാഡിന് ശേഷം V3യും സിമ്പിൾ പാസ്റ്റിൽ സബ്ജക്റ്റ് പ്ലസ് V2വും ടുവിന് ശേഷം എപ്പോഴും ഇൻഫിനിറ്റീവ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ബേസ് ഫോം V1ഉം ഉപയോഗിക്കും. നൗ ലുക്ക് അറ്റ് ഫില്ലിംഗ് ദ ബ്ലാങ്ക്സ് യൂസിങ് വെൻറ്റ്, ഗോൺ ആൻഡ് സീ, സോ, സീൻ. Here we are going to complete the sentences using went or gone and see or saw or seen. See V1, saw V2, seen V3. In this way, go V1, went V2 and gone V3. Now look at the first sentence. Rohan dashed home a long time ago. No one has dashed him since lunch time. The first sentence is in simple past, so we use went. So the sentence changed to Rohan went home a long time ago. No one has. After has we use the third form of the verb, that is seen. No one has seen him since lunchtime. Now look at second sentence. Ria had dashed to her friend's house to dash her friend, but she was not there. Here had plus V3, that is Ria had gone to her friend's house to. After to we use infinitive or base form of the verb, that is see, to see her friend, but she was not there. Now look at third sentence. Meera has dashed to the shop to buy eggs. She dashed her old friend on the way to the shop. Here after has we use the third form of go, that is gone. The sentence has changed to Meera has gone to the shop to buy eggs. She dashed her old friends. Here it is in simple past, so we use saw. She saw her old friends on the way to the shop. Now look at fourth sentence. Have you dashed my ball? My friends have dashed to play football and I want to join them. Here have plus V3. Have you seen my ball? My friends have gone to play football and I want to join them. Now look at fifth sentence. The film dashed on and it was so boring that we all got up and dashed home halfway. The film went on and it was so boring that we all got up and went home halfway. Here both places we use went. It is in simple past. Now look at sixth sentence. I have dashed that girl somewhere before. I think I dashed her at the exhibition. I have seen that girl. Seen is the third form of see. I think I saw her at the exhibition. So is the V2, that is in simple past. Now look at the seventh sentence. I dashed to dash my grandmother, but she had dashed out. I went to see my grandmother, but she had gone out. I went, that is in simple past. After to we use the infinitive or base form, that is see. Then had plus V3, that is had gone. So the sentence is changed to I went to see my grandmother, but she had gone out. So dear children, that's the end of today's class. You should complete the exercises in your textbook. Try to write some more sentences in your rough book also. Thank you everyone. See you in the next class.